In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with PayPal on Alibaba, and we'll get this done in just about 5 minutes. So let's dive right in and make this process as easy as pie. First things first, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and navigate over to Alibaba's website. Alibaba is one of the world's largest online B2B marketplaces, where manufacturers, suppliers, exporters and importers connect from around the globe. Once you're at Alibaba.com, look towards the top of the page for the sign in button if you're not already logged into your account. Make sure you have your login credentials handy. Now that you're logged in, the next step is crucial. You're going to want to find the payment option on the site. To locate this, head over to the menu that's often found either at the top of the web page or within a side panel depending on the layout you're seeing. Look for an option that might say My Wallet, Finance, or something along those lines. Clicking on this will bring you to your account's Finance Management Center, where the magic begins. Once you're in the Account Management Center, your next move is to add PayPal as a payment method. On the web page, you'll spot a button or section labeled Add a New Card. Now, even though this sounds like we're dealing with credit cards, this area is specifically designed for adding various payment methods, including PayPal. So go ahead, click on Add a New Card. After clicking that option, a list should appear, showcasing different payment methods Alibaba supports. Scan through these options until you find PayPal. Click on the PayPal option and this will prompt you to link your PayPal account to your Alibaba account. If it's your first time, you might be asked to log into your PayPal account in a new window. Go ahead and enter your PayPal credentials here to proceed. Once logged into your PayPal account, you'll usually be asked to confirm some details or permission requests, ensuring that up-to-date and correct information is used during transactions. It's just a couple of clicks here. Make sure you read any prompts, ensuring the security of the linking process, and grant any necessary permissions. After the linking is successfully completed, you now have PayPal added as one of your payment methods on Alibaba, making future purchases smoother and more convenient. Whenever you decide to make a purchase, you can quickly select PayPal during checkout, providing you with that quick, hassle-free payment option you prefer. And there you have it. Integrating PayPal with your Alibaba account is straightforward and ensures you have more flexibility with payments. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping on Alibaba with your newly set up PayPal payment method.